Definitely running back. There we go. Run that bitch back. Run it back. He running that whole back till he get that motherfucker. Come on now. Oh, get in there. Get in there. Drop another 30 in there. There it goes. Gave it to you. Oh, I gave it to you. That was nice. That was nice. 2 cents. 1 cent. I don't. And then it, right, 6 cents. Here they gave me 50 cents. What's up, cousin? Well, bro. Same with that.
How you doing? I'm fine. How you doing?
My wife Toy. This is my cousin Lauren. Yeah. That's all.
So you went out? No, I don't know. I just went to the ATM again and said, okay, I'm out.